everyone, my name is Carolina Campos and this is my video reflection. Let's get started. So, I have been teaching now for 15 years. The past 2 years, I've been lucky enough to be with Marietta City Schools at Dunleith Elementary. I am a Dolphin. I have spent 14 years of my career teaching Spanish as a world language, which I absolutely love and miss very much. This year, I decided to challenge myself and go into the world of ESOL, kinder through fifth grade. That's English to speakers of other languages. That has opened a new world that I did not know. I knew it existed. I didn't know how it existed. So I'm still learning and just getting my feet wet and trying to find my place. I wanted to tell you a little bit about why I became a teacher. I started off in a program called Chicago Teaching Fellows, and that kept teachers in the inner city. It's a little bit like Teach for America, except that we wanted teachers to stay as teachers with that social equity lens. And that is how I look at everything that I do. And with iTech at first, I thought all I was going to do was just learn about technology. And yes, that's true, but I've learned all about technology with the lens of social justice and how do we bring equity? How does technology bring equity? So I've really enjoyed that part of the program. As how I have grown, my goodness, there's not enough time to explain the growth that I have felt, but especially as a teacher of Spanish, which is a special at the elementary school, I have been a lonely island for so long that I didn't really know my worth as an educator, as a professional. With this program, I have learned that I bring a different skill set, a different lens to my school in the area of instructional technology. My coursework really has been the one that has prepared me for all of this, to be able to speak up and say, I can help you with that. I know about that. We can make it better by using technology. One of my favorite classes was technology tools for the classroom, because that's exactly why I wanted to be in this program. How do I become better in my classroom? But it really opened an opportunity for me to be able to research and implement technologies that I could use in my classroom, but I could also share with my peers, and that's what I did. I shared a lot with those people that I got to know at my school. The data analysis and school improvement class was really eye-opening because I had heard of all these things, all this data and action plans, but didn't really say anything to me as a Spanish teacher. But once I understood them, I understood my place within that system, and it just opened up a whole new world. It opened up a new skill set for me. I was able to look at our strengths, our weaknesses, and where do we go with all of this. I think it'd be imperative for my school to use me or somebody else as a technology facilitator, because as teachers, we often have all these things to do. And technology can help us do all of those things quicker and in a way that we can share with others and not have to do anything extra. Just be part of what we do if it's set up correctly and if technology serves us to help and not to hinder. Also, teachers need professional development in the area of technology. This is not often taught in our program. So we really need somebody that can look at content and how does technology help us with it to make it better for students and for teachers. In terms of my goals, short term, I just want to continue practicing my skills, helping my school. Long term, I would love to be a technology facilitator. I would love to be an admin with this great knowledge of technology so that I can further support my school, my parents, my students, and everyone. And I'm just really excited to continue growing. Thank you to all my teachers and my peers along this journey. Bye.